Today, we received a Samsung S24 Ultra for a screen replacement. There's a noticeable black spot in the middle. The screen has leaked. Let's power it off and start by heating the back cover. We're using the Polartec Magic Self-Heating Pad. More info is in the link below. After 10 minutes. After heating, we insert a metal shim to create a gap. Add a few drops of isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive. Continue applying alcohol and gently separate the adhesive. Now switch to a plastic card and gently work your way around the edges. If you feel resistance, add more alcohol. Take your time here. Be patient, this is the most critical step. Great, the back cover is off. There are 17 screws in total. Start with the top section. Remove the main board shield. Always disconnect the battery first. Then unplug all other flex cables. Remove the top speaker assembly. It's held in by 6 screws. Use a spudger to lift out the subboard shield along with the speaker. Disconnect the remaining flex cables. There are 3 screws. Don't forget to remove the SIM card tray. Take out the subboard. Now, disconnect the front camera flex. The motherboard is secured with 2 screws. Lift from the bottom gently. Here's the 12MP Ultra Wide. This one's a 200MP main camera. This 50MP lens gives you 5x optical zoom. And finally, the 10MP telephoto great for 3x zoom close-ups. The motherboard features a dual-layer design and is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Remember to remove the display flex cable, it's not included with the new screen. Remove the side antenna bracket to screws here. We should use tweezers or a spudger here to remove the bracket. To avoid damaging the battery, let's remove it later. Pull the adhesive tab and carefully lift out the battery. We'll need to peel off the plastic on both sides. Watch how I do it. The Galaxy S24 Ultra packs a 5000 mAh battery that lasts all day with ease. Don't forget the S Pen, remove it before continuing. Now you can safely remove the side antenna frame. Use alcohol to release the adhesive and take out the upper antenna. This is actually a wrong example. Don't grab it directly, or you might risk damaging it. The front camera is tightly sealed. Use a blade to gently cut the glue. Pry up carefully now the camera is out. Check the frame and transfer any remaining components if needed. Time to install the new screen. Begin with the motherboard. Slot it in from the top. Reconnect the front camera. Don't forget the antenna module before the speaker assembly. Reconnect the flex cables and tighten the two motherboard screws. Install the side antenna and fasten the screws. There are two short screws. Let's screw one in here to hold it in place. Mount the subboard, secure the three screws. Put the battery back in place and press firmly. Reconnect the display, main, and sub-flex cables. Install the subboard shield with speaker. Reconnect all cables. Now connect the battery last. Reinstall the main board shield. Screw in all 17 screws and test before sealing. Power on the phone. Let's check the display and touch. To ensure better water resistance, we need to clean off all the leftover adhesive from both the frame and the back cover. First, remove the old glue. You can use tweezers like I'm doing here to slowly peel it up. Then use a cleaning cloth with a bit of alcohol to wipe around the edges. This is our original back cover adhesive. It provides excellent water and dust resistance. No issues found. We can go ahead and install the back cover now. Don't forget to reinsert the S Pen and SIM tray. Seal the back cover and clamp it down for 2 hours. And that's it. The S24 Ultra is as good as new. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair guides.